Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to your time. Yes, so it's me again, Mama Vitru, Wars TV. Yeah. So I greet the house. Thank you for my returning subscribers for always coming to watch my views. And also thank you for my new subscriber. God bless you all. And continue sharing and subscribing. Turn on your notification bell in the case anytime I come here. Share this video. God bless you. Okay, right now let me play this voice for you people because you know I dey always dey talk of this kind matter for this my platform. So I can't come across one of my beautiful lady wetin talk similar thing when I dey talk about. And say if I no bring am come here for una wetin I gain, make I bring play am for una make una hear. Okay let's go there.
As a single mother, you go come out when they talk say marriage not be for everybody. Through marriage help. You say you dey advocate for that single mothers, right? Marriage not be for everybody. Who marriage help? Mark tell you, take care of your children, look good, take care of your children. Your children are your priority. We know until we know. Your children are your everything. Your children need to be comfortable. Don't let any man come molest your children. Which concern love. My children go dey okay. They go balance. Before I go talk, say I want to follow man. If you want to follow man, that's say you don't born. Carry them, not do your year. What's it concern man? That they craze. And my children be my everything, though. With my children, I'm okay. I am perfect. I don't need man for my life. My children are my everything. Auntie, now because say you dey bitter, then make you dey talk that kind of word. Man, I tell you, you are bitter. Anybody when they come to show me they talk that kind of word, about the person dey bitter. The person dey bitter. Man, I tell you, as a single mom, you need love. Truth, you need love. You need love. Some kind time there, you go need person where go. Baby, let me just. Sometimes then you go need them.
Okay.
Won't tell ourselves the truth. So don't let some people tell you say, who love her? Love not be for everybody. I beg you, don't born. Take care of your children. Look good. You don't need love to help with boyfriend. My sister, give love a chance. Man, I tell you, you see that person when they talk that kind of thing. When they say, who love her? As a single mother, take care of yourself. Be a celibate. Just be good. She don't get belly. They never marry him. She don't get belly for another man. Then she tell you say make you not take love serious. She don't take love serious. She don't get belly. She don't fall in love. Because she get bitter. Any woman when they come they tell you say as a single mother to help with men, use men make you dump them until they are bittered. I'm telling you the truth, they are bittered. Anyone will tell you say you carry man, say to you you jump am, you don't buy your pikin until they are bittered. They are bittered. That's the truth. They are bittered. And they tell people when the guys are there in their pains, in their category, they are bittered. Love they exist. If you give love chance, you go see how we go pamper you, we go appreciate you, we go care for you, we go love you, we go adore you, we go carry you like egg. Before you go even cough, you go say, baby, what do you want? Not be say, you can't say, no, not give man a chance, who may help. You say, do you hear me throw with him? Auntie, not even to do your hair. She, they bitter. She never, that's a pain where that man, where that ex-man cause her. See the inside of her. She dey find who she want to recruit to the hate men. At the end of the day, she go come find one man, settle down with you. Go see put that mentality for your head. Say men are useless, men are stupid. Now lie you, my sister. Now own when she born for that is stupid, not be your own. Fine, we don't say you don't born for good, that man you not marry. You don't be all men when they born for good, not be all single mothers. The father of the child is stupid. Some the father of the child gets sent just that he don't want you. Not be all single mothers the father stupid, and not be all single mothers stupid. If she come tell you say, let the man get out, the man are idiot. Leave men are useless. Take care of your children. Be okay, be good, be courageous. I'm here for you. Auntie, na lie. Ede amugbe so egbe fi my kind. Truth to God. Sometimes say when you're call, you say, I'm tired. Sometimes say when you go need man, more tell yourself the truth. Pardon me, I know they mock anybody I beg. I just tell you say, don't let anybody tell you say you don't need man. Until you need man. Don't let any person tell you say, I'm talking to a single mother. I don't talk of single girls. As a single mom, don't let anybody tell you say you don't need man. If you say you make your children first grow, they go grow up before you go come give love a chance, no problem. But what you say to help with men, use them at something. I lie. She when they come and say use them at something, she don't get belly and they never marry her. You see her? when you are acting one at social media, now call they corrupt people because you are there bitter. If your relationship not work, not gonna tell other people, say maybe on their own not go work. Now your own not work. Now the more we go for not get sense. You hear me so? Auntie, I beg, as a single mom, if man ask you out, you look the man say, nah, man, where you? May you try am, nothing bad. Don't let people tell you say, as a single mom, love your children. No, give me a chance. Until you go love later. You go love later. Love they exist. If as a single mom, they tell you when they take out your pikin go grow later. He go marry, he go leave you. Ciao, mama. Ciao, mama. You need love. Don't let anybody talk and say, as a single mom, you don't need love. You just need to take care of your children. Who my help? Just carry them. Then to wait for those people. Now lie. Not be let. Sometimes you go hold you there. You need man we go cool that cool or be cuddle. Don't ever tell you rubbish. You don't need man. Who man? My picking wants me. Who my help? Who wrote this one help? Until I lie. Don't let them give you that deceive. That because they're bitter. They are bitter. I mean, they tell you that one. Say who love help, who love not help. Bros, as a single father, not me take you say, women carry them, use make you come. Now like bros, you need woman for your life. You need woman. Anybody tell you say, you leave that woman don't use them in your way then. The person they bitter. You want me you they bitter like him. Until when they say who love them, I became married so many years. I don't go carry my wife. I want you to marry. You can't marry 10 years. You don't get me left for another man. Now you see, like I say, you never see love. You get bitter. Then make you people to be bitter like you, auntie. Not be everything where they talk. Even this my own soul. No, some people they will not go take her. No problem. My own not be for everybody. It's not for some people. So that's what I am here to say. I don't say the rush words. Nobody tell me say, "Okay, I don't understand your talk." I dey rush words. If I say make I dey talk words slow, I dey stammer.
You see, you see wetin I talk. You say we go say woman help. Say the person dey bitter. Na him make because he never get it. Try to recruit other single mother make dem come build like am. Because he never get husband, the one wey don already get, he wan deceive am make throw away him own make come be like am. You see am, no be me talk am o. Na this aunty wey I just play the voice and I talk am. You see am, the same thing go to men. Wey be say men, woman don break your heart, you no go carry another one wey you go carry make e come be say na him be victim for your hand. You come dey maltreat am bad. No, life goes on. You see am, he say if you say na my children dey marry to, na my children I suffer take care of. If your children can't grow, all of them can't grow, they can't marry, not be shy be that. When it be shy, I know that you say bye bye, I don't say arrivederci. Yes, you go can't date that loneliness where you want. They say that when they never dark, now they find goat way black. If you dey don't dark, goat way black, you no go see am again. You go follow darkness, rhyme together. You no go find both the black and black darkness again. So na parable na me for them. So you can see am. So make I leave this video here. I just want to play it so that my follower can also see, because they say mama na so this one how you dey talk, this one na not my mother dey talk now. I just come across am for Facebook now. Say make I still upload am here so that make people still listen. May dey help may dey help. No be so may help. If you be say ma fit break your heart or you break your heart, you go still get time to recupero, according to Italo, recupero again. Try to love again, because at old age now we dey talk, not be now when we young. You understand? Everybody need down. Man wey dey single, need woman for inside. Women wey dey single, need man for inside. You understand? So now so this video, you make I just stop am for here, my people. Thank you very much, my listener. God bless you. Mona share this video, make it go viral so that some of our guests wey be say that they follow bad advice. People wey they are never good finish, they want take their reggae spoil your bruise. Make una listen to this lady now. Make una take una iroro. Calculate una brain. Make una stay well. You understand? Because not be everybody the thing go for. Many people say no matter so, but where we are take yahoo. You understand? That part you say the one where they be no give, say what they do. Now so this life be. Not go take your own because say your friend he dey single. Now you want to take him own content spoil your own. Now you know, because that your friend time go come say he go get his own man. She can never stay forever as a single mother. Lie. When he gonna get your own man, that time your old age don't come. Who want to carry you again? Maybe that time you come be like that the day we go your platform where they 60 years, we go to fight 30 something years young boy wey go come dey tula sef for im chest. Maybe na that time na you go come dey find am, nobody go look your face again that time because all your face don wrinkle. Okay my people, share this video, give me thumbs up, thumbs up. Anything you think for this video, write in the comment section. God bless you all. We'll see you again in my next broadcast. Follow me on my Instagram, Mama V True Words TV. Follow me on my Facebook page, Mama V True Words TV. We'll see you again in my next video. Bye.